Hey friend, hey, I'm back with another wig try-on tutorial, even though don't do what I do because I'm probably gonna do it wrong. Feature Wigs reached out to me and they wanted me to try one of their wigs on my channel, so I said, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go.
Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
Anyway, they were gracious enough to send me this, I think it's 30 inches. Let me pull up the specs. I'll put it here on the screen too, but I'm pretty sure it's 32 inches. And yeah, I've never had a wig quite like this, so it's gonna be exciting to see. I went ahead, I put on my ball cap and everything already. This is just with the Got To Be spray. And yeah, let's get onto it. The better truck, get into it. Y'all, am I supposed to cut these pieces before or after? I don't know. I think I'm supposed to I'm going to put some foundation on this lace because it definitely wasn't tinted. I sprayed like some tinted spray already, but I'm just going to add some bronzer, whatever, to see if we can make it better. So I'm just going like this with my bronzer and a brush to put it on the lace. Okay, cool. Boom, boom. Don't tell me I wasn't a professional. And it has a little clip in the back. I will say something. This hair smells delicious. So it just feels so tight for my head, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that hurts. It feels so tight on my head. Also, what's this is called? My wig cap is way right here. And the lace is way back there. Is my head abnormally big? Wait, let me see if I can adjust the straps. I don't know. It seems too small for my head. Well, no. I think I already adjusted the straps. This is as big as it goes. So if you have a big head like me, would not recommend. Because that's definitely as big as it goes. But we're going to try to make it work for one night. One night only. Okay, big head, don't care. How do y'all do this? Big head shouties? Okay. Whoo, yo, how is this life? I can't feel myself breathing. Like, okay, I'm trying to bring it down, but I feel like I'm gonna have no forehead left. Like, I'm gonna have none because, can y'all see the lace cap underneath the wig? Like, I have to bring it down past that. Wait, I saw someone say cut it into 3. Y'all know this is trial and error over here. So that's what we're going to... And that made it so much... Yo, who told me that? That just made the tension on my head so much less. Oh my God, that makes a huge difference. I just found out a key to being a lace slayer. Oh my God. Boom. I'm going to use the bold hold. I'm being real serious today. Don't I lay down the middle first? That's what I saw. That's what I had saw someone say. Why nothing's coming out? Hold on. I think it's like stuck from, being glued. Okay, I think I got the stuff off. Ah! Oh gosh!
Mom, why you screaming?
Mama screaming?
Yeah.
Cause Mama made a mistake. Yo. Oy vey. Okay, Brittany. I can't waste it though. This shit costs $30. This is not the right way to do this. Beautiful people. YOLO. That's not how you do it at all. So, yeah, how not to slay a wig right here, man. On this page. If y'all ever seen somebody fail at hair more spectacularly than this, let a player know. Because it's definitely not supposed to be white all up here. Even I know that. Even I know that this is not what you do. This is not what you do, people. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's stuck for real. Okay. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna try to spray it again. I'm gonna just use the end of this and like dab it. Instead of aggressively doing what I was doing before, I'm going to just go nice and slowly. Never letting go, never missing up the flow. Go. Usher voice. Y'all would think I would be a professional at this by now. This is like my 4th time doing this. Okay, I'm only doing one layer because I'm only wearing this for tonight to go have drinks with my bestie. So I don't need it to really stay on that long. So that's why we're not giving full frontal all day slay. We're just giving for a little while slay. YOLO. Anyway, so now we're gonna lay this here section down. Just making sure that, because that's what's key. Somebody told me, well, nobody didn't tell me directly, but I saw on TikTok that you have to make sure that this lace goes over the wig cap. And I think that was the issue I had made the previous times I tried to do it. Like, I wasn't putting it down far enough or something. This is probably not right. But listen, I never claimed to be perfect. Okay. More help. I'm gonna get my wax stick. This is the She's Bomb. And I'm gonna wax. Oops. I do not like how fluffy it is on top of my head. But I'm not a fan of this curl pattern. That's basically. So I want to make it like straighter at the top. Like flatter at the top. Do y'all know what I'm trying to say? Hopefully I'm speaking English. Boom, boom. Now let's cut the lace, right? See, I had too much glue. That's what I was trying to say to your girl. I had too much glue. But that's not giving skin. That's not giving skin at all. That's not giving scalp. Okay. Well, it's not bad either, though. It's not bad now. It's not bad. For a tritorial. This is a tritorial, okay? Not a tutorial. This is a tritorial. Try at your own motherfucking risk. Will let people say I'm just moi. Is it giving? I still feel like it's entirely too big. I don't know how to make it more manageable. At the top, the lace is not laid. Okay, let me go ahead and beat my face and then I'll be back. You want to talk shit? You want to run your mouth? You want some gangsters for your motherfucking house? You want to talk shit? You want to run your mouth? You want some gangsters for your motherfucking house? Anyway, okay, so I did go ahead and finish the look off, and with the makeup and everything, I feel like it's giving. I am not a fan of the actual hair texture, the curls, but I feel like I kind of made it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Jamie Foxx voice. So if you like this wig and you want to try it out, click the link in the bio below. It is affiliate link, but don't be hating on your girl getting a little coin. Don't hate, okay? I'll make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I should have do 8 out of 10. Is that the same? Anyway, see you on the next one. Peace.
Find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting